Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Walmart Beauty Box. Now, if you're not familiar, this is a quarterly subscription box that you can get through Walmart. All of the products inside you can get from in-store or online, which means it's affordable. The products inside are, this costs $6.98, and with tax and shipping all in I pay $7.39. So basically they say that the box is for free and you're paying the rest for shipping, but whatever. So you get about, I'd say about 5 products inside. They're sample sizes, deluxe sizes, and sometimes you do get full-size products in this box. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for spring 2022. All right, open says me. Okay, so this is what I am seeing. Beauty for all. And on the back of these cards is who sponsors the box. So this time it is Smooth Moves, Smooth and Shiny Hair starts here. Oh, nice. Okay. And then on the inside of the card are all of the possibilities you could have gotten in your box. Now, sometimes there's a mystery item in there. So if it's not listed here, then it is most likely your mystery item. Now, they do go based on a profile. You do set a profile based on your age and your preferences. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is by Daily Concepts. It is the Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber, and it's labeled as mild. And let's see. This is so it looks like this is my mystery gift. It is not on the card anywhere. My mystery gift. Okay. We believe that good thoughts attract good things, and that getting clean inside and out is definitely a good thing. We know we can't always control what happens in life, but we can control our reaction. And most of the times we find that a shower or a bath will lead us to the solution. This is quite psychological for a scrubby. We work to inspire and get inspired, delivering daily concepts and everyday products that enhance the human experience. We are here to change the world, your world, one shower at a time. Interesting. So let's go ahead and check this thing out. I will put on the screen what I found out the retail value of this is. Okay, so on this side is your scrubby, and it does feel pretty rough, so I would definitely use it on my body and not my face. And then the other side is a little bit softer, so that's nice. So yeah, and I bet that this is reusable. You can wash it and reuse it many times. So yeah, okay. Oh, and this is in every box nowadays, it seems. This one is Golden Cherry. This is Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. It is a non-GMO electrolyte mix. So this will hydrate you much better than water alone. You just add this to a bottle of water or a glass of water and you are good to go. Let's see. A 6 count is $8.98. Get hydrated faster and more efficiently than by drinking a water alone. This delicious non-GMO electrolyte powder drink mix contains 5 essential vitamins. And like I said, we've been seeing these in so many boxes, and they do count this as a product. And I know that we want to be beautiful from the inside out, and I'm sure that's what they're thinking when they put these things inside the box. But for me, I don't think things like this should be in a beauty box. That is my personal opinion. Okay, next thing, CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is 1 fluid ounce. It moisturizes and helps restore the protective skin barrier. So that's what that looks like. The full size is 12 ounces and retails for $11.36. I do like CeraVe products. I like the way they feel, they work, no hype. It just is a good, honest product. Next thing I see is by Chapstick, Total Hydration infused with hemp seed oil. It is the Hemp Plus Calming Botanicals Chill. So by Chapstick, I imagine that this is a lip balm. Let's take a look at that. It is. Total Hydration Chapstick. This probably is a full-size product. The Chapstick Total Hydration, the flavor may vary, and I have chill, so that might be mint. Full size is $3.94. Let's see, 0.12. Yes, this is a full-size product. And we could always use hydration for our lips. The next product is by Lottie London Slay All Day Matte Metallic Liquid Lipstick in Glow Up. So is that the color? I'm going to have to open it and see. I mean, we're going to have to see what that is. Okay, so I imagine that this is also a full-size product, I'm guessing. I do not see this listed. So did I get 2 surprise products, mystery products? It looks like I might have, because I don't see that puff on here, and I don't see this on here. So this is interesting. I would have really liked to have gotten the True Skin Vitamin C Serum. I mean, I did list my actual age, so I shouldn't be getting products for a younger person. I should be getting products for this person. All right, so like I was saying, let's open this. Okay, we have a little doe foot. Oh, that's actually kind of nice. So it's like a purpley brown. Yeah, I could use that. That's cute. Okay, we have that. I do not know what that retails for, but I'll go ahead and put that on the screen for you. And I do imagine that this is a full-size product, so that's nice. And then here is our sponsor, Not Your Mother's Anti-Frizz Smooth Moves Shampoo and Conditioner, made with Frizz Lock Complex, hyaluronic acid, and macadamia oil. Okay, it's smooth styling from here. The Smooth Moves luxurious conditioner and shampoo hydrates and detangles hair while adding plenty of shine for 72-hour frizz control now that you are off to a smooth start. And then the shampoo is gently cleanses and delivers 72-hour frizz control for smoother, shinier lather up to smooth it down. And then I have one more thing in the box, and this is by L'Oreal Revitalift. Is there a coupon? No coupon. So this is Revitalift. It's 1.5 hyaluronic acid, potent hydration attracting molecule naturally found in skin. It enhances skin's own moisture retention for lasting hydration. I'm having trouble. I really am having trouble today reading and putting my words together. So that is what that looks like. It is just a single foil packet kind of deal. See? That's what you get. Okay. So I received, oh, okay, this one is on here. So the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift, a full size is 1 ounce for $23.58. This is a spoonful. So, yeah, we received the hyaluronic acid sample, the shampoo and conditioner sample, a full-size metallic lippy, a hydration powder mix, chapstick, a Scrubby, and some CeraVe. So yeah, I think it's a good box. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy to receive the lotion because we always need lotion, whether it's by our table, in our desk, in our handbag, in our computer bag. We always need lotion somewhere. And so that's going to be a great thing to have. And then the hemp seed oil chapstick, I'm really getting into moisturizing my lips, especially because I like to wear matte lipsticks, and those tend to be very drying. So I'm really happy to get this. And the sample packs, I mean, yeah, you can tell by the feel if you like it. You can tell by the smell if you like it. But you can't tell in only one use if it's going to work. So that's my only problem with these. But other than that, why not? I'll put a dose of that on. And I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.